You make me feel so.
What's up guys, it's the Takachino here, and if you're tuning into this video, it's probably because you're tired of seeing this error code when you launch Geforce Experience. So, I've decided to make this how-to video on a quick and painless fix for Nvidia Geforce Experience Error code 0x0003. All you have to do is Google Geforce Experience Automatic Driver Updates, and click the first link you see. It'll bring you to this page where you can download it by clicking this green download button, and once it's finished downloading, double-click to install it, click Yes, and allow it to unpack. All this does is reinstall Geforce Experience over top of itself, so you don't even have to uninstall Geforce Experience to do this. I was tired of 10 to 15 minute videos on how to fix this with useless solutions when it's really this simple. Click Agree and Install, and allow it to install. I've done this to 3 PCs and it's fixed them all so far with the same exact error, and it only takes a few minutes to install it. Once it's done installing, you'll have to log in again, so make sure you have your Nvidia credentials on hand and you're good to go. Now you can go back to installing the latest driver updates with ease. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you solve this error, and if it didn't, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll reach out to see if I can help.